Hey Mike, how's it going? We're going to be doing your screencast right now, talking about how you can post articles, get to the back end of your website, monitor your website, and manage anything on your website. If you look up here in the URL, I'm going to change it to abcgrouphealth.us. You can actually go to abcgrouphealth.com and it will forward to .us where your new site is hosted. I'm going to put WP, I'm going to put /WP-admin right here after the URL, and that will take us to your login screen. Your login screen right here is where you can do your username and password, which is admin, and your password, which I'll send you a document that has this information, is change me, and the E is a 3, so it's capital CHANGEM3. Go ahead and click enter. Take us into the back end where the dashboard's at. Over here in the top left right here it says ABC. This is a link to your website. You can hold down control and click, and that'll open it in a new window. It's really nice to be able to work on your site with having the front end and then the back end. So I'm going to first just talk to you about how to post a blog post, which is the same on how you would post content for your newsletters. So we're going to do one blog post, and I'm going to put some text, an image, and some links, and I'm going to show you the URL that you could link back to in your newsletters. So if you go to Posts right here on the left-hand panel, you can click Add New. Here you can put in the title of your post. Let's call it Healthcare. And in this section right here, this is the body of your content. This is where you're going to write your information. You can also stretch this window in this little corner right here, make it bigger so you can have more space to write. What you're going to do is you would take your content and you would write anything in here. What I'm going to do for you is I'm going to just grab some text for the sake of getting this finished real quick and get Lorem Ipsum text in there so that we can just put that in there for now. Let's grab this text real quick. And I'm going to go ahead and paste it in here. So this is where you would write something. Now, there's some interesting things you can do in here. If you would like to put a header on something like the beginning of a paragraph, you can do so by typing welcome to healthcare. And you can highlight this information and make it either heading 1 through 6. I would suggest using a heading 3, and that'll help you do that. You can also use all the same functions as you do in Microsoft Word: bold, italic, strike through. You have bulleted lists right here. You have 1, 2, 3 for numbered lists. Underline, you can change the color. And there's some other functions over here that you might not need to worry about. Alignment. And you can also, at this time, is you can preview what it's going to look like when you do this. So I'm going to click Preview, open a new window, and it will show you exactly what your post is going to look like. It's posts over here on the date, and your blog is located here at Home, About, Services, Carriers, and then your blog is right here. So I'm going to walk you through entering an image into your post, and then I'm going to show you how to do some links. So this button right here is your Add an Image button. We're going to go ahead and first save an image to our desktop. So let's go to Healthcare, and we're going to go to Google Images. We get our image of healthcare, and we're going to go ahead and save the image to our desktop, and we'll call it healthcare.jpg. That's me on our desktop. I'm going to go back now for that image that I'd like to use.